Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on that bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. So I have talked a lot about skincare on my YouTube channel and I will continue to do so and share all the information that I collect, but up till now everything that I've shared has only been for adults. That means for people who are probably 18 and above, actually 20 and above, but yeah, 18 and above is also a safe age to start with all the skincare tips and tricks that I've shared up till now on my YouTube channel. But in today's video, as you've already read the title, I'm making this video sharing 5 very important tips that is going to act as a teenage skincare guide. So basically this video is going to be helpful for all the teenagers out there. So if you guys want to know those 5 skincare tips for teenagers, that will be a teenage skincare guide, please keep on watching. Now beginning with the tips, so the first step is identifying your skin type. As a teenager also, it's very important to know what skin type you have so that you can curate your skincare products and use the right kind and not just anything, so that you don't end up damaging your skin. How you can identify your skin type is wash your face, and after you washed your face and if pat dried your face, if it feels very stretchy, which means you have dry skin. If there is a lot of oil that emerges all over your face, which means you have an oily skin type. If the oil emerges only on the T-zone and the rest of the face feels either dry or just nothing at all, which means it's combination. And if there is no change at all after you've pat dried, it does not feel oily, it does not feel combination, it does not feel dry at all, which means that you happen to have a normal kind of skin type. Now there are 2 more, which is sensitive and acne prone, that you will come to know only after you try out products, depending upon how the products are working on your skin. If it's working very fast, which means that you happen to have sensitive skin, because sensitive skin पे जल्दी से work करती हैं चीज़ें. And if it's acne prone, in that case your skin will start to break out if you use the wrong kind of products right after you've used them. So it's very easy to identify your skin type, but if you don't identify your skin type, you will use the wrong kinds of products which will end up in damaging your skin irrespective of what age you are of. So it is very important to identify what your skin type is. The second point is, or the second tip is, use the skincare products according to your age. Now this is very important. This is one of the most important points. Why? Is because teenagers have a lot of exposure to the internet and they get very easily influenced with all the content that's available on the internet. Now let me make one thing very clear, that if you're a teenager, you need to understand the fact that all the content creators that you're seeing are adults, and it's not necessary, and not just necessary, it is not going to be the case that the products they are using on their skin, the same kind of products you require on your skin as well. Which is why please do not get inspired or influenced by the people that you see on the internet, because they're way elder to you, they're way older to you. So the skin types are different, the skin concerns are different according to the age, which is why please understand the kind of skin you have, understand the concerns that you have, and use them accordingly. Just don't use anything blindly by seeing someone else using it on the internet, thinking कि हमारा same concern है and we'll use the same thing. That will damage your skin, it will damage your skin barrier, and that is going to cause a lot of damage that you cannot even think of. So please only use the products that your skin actually requires. Don't use anything and everything so that you don't end up damaging your skin. The third point is, use as minimum products as possible. Now this is not just for teenagers but for adults as well, that don't stuff your skin with unnecessary products. Use products that you actually require to use on your skin based on your skin concerns. Just don't use anything and everything. Use only if it is necessary, and don't use anything unnecessary bluntly by seeing what's there on the internet and consuming that content just blindly. Please don't do that, because trust me, tried and tested, the less products you use, the more benefits you will see. Which is why please use as less products as possible, especially with teenagers, because you happen to have very sensitive skin people. You have very sensitive skin. कुछ नहीं है तो सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल CTM करो. Trust me, that's going to be more than enough. ज़्यादा कुछ लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. फेस वॉश करो, टोन करो अपने स्किन को, मॉइस्चराइज करो, और अगर दिन का टाइम है तो सनस्क्रीन लगाओ. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दैट्स ऑल दैट यू नीड in your skincare routine if you don't have any kind of skin concern. Go with products that are very gentle so that you don't end up damaging your skin, and only use products, like I said earlier, that you actually require. The fourth tip is do not keep touching your face. Now this is the one habit that corona has actually made us leave, but if you have not left this habit up till now, if you're still doing or frequently touching your face with your bare hands every now and then, you know, just to see ki face kaisa lag raha hai and all of that, trust me, you're actually transferring a lot of bacteria from your hands to your skin, which is going to lead to a lot of breakouts and acne and pimples and all of that, and it can actually damage your skin, which is why please don't touch your face very frequently so that you don't transfer the bacteria on your hands onto your face. Don't do that and you will see the difference for yourself. The fifth point, which is the last point and the most important point in this entire video, which is that apply sunscreen daily. This is the one step that no matter what happens you should not skip. In my teenage I did not have anybody who could guide me with the fact ki aur kuch mat lagao, but at least sunscreen lagao so that you can protect your skin from sun damage, because like I said earlier, during your teenage your skin is very sensitive and you want to take care of it so that you don't end up damaging your skin. And if you don't do that, you can't imagine the kind of damage it will be, you know, the kind of damage the sun is going to do on your skin. I wish I had somebody who could have guided me at that time, but I did not have anyone. But you have me, so I'm telling you that apply sunscreen daily no matter what, even if you're not going out anywhere. Abhi to school chalu ho chuke hain India mein, so you are probably going out, you're going to schools, you're attending classes and everything. I have done a full-fledged video explaining about what exactly does sunscreen does and all its myths and misconceptions. I've cleared everything. I will leave the link of it up here in the cards, but trust me, apply sunscreen, because अभी से सनस्क्रीन लगाना शुरू करोगे तो you will see the results of it in the long run. You will see when you are in your 20s, in your late 20s, in your early 30s, you will see that you don't have a lot of signs of aging. Your skin barrier has not damaged because of the sun and everything, and that is why your skin will actually show a lot of nice radiance and glow and all of it, which is why take care of your skin, apply sunscreen daily. और कुछ लगाओ मत लगाओ, अगर मॉइस्चराइज नहीं भी करना है तो कम से कम सनस्क्रीन लगाओ, so that your skin can protect itself from the sun damage. So that's about it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you are an adult watching this video, and if you know a teenager, if you know somebody in your family, in your friends, in your knowns, if you know there is a teenager, please pass this on to them so that they can get the benefit that probably we as adults did not get in our teenage, so they can actually benefit from this video. I'm sure it's going to be informative for them. If you like this video, like I said, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, if you guys have any kind of questions, queries, anything that you want to ask, either you can leave them in the comment section below, or else you can DM me on my Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are also given in the description box below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.